Hey business owner, welcome back to my channel. So I do have another unit for you guys. Clearly that's why we're all here. I did receive this hair from Tinashe Hair and it didn't come in a satin bag. I did an unboxing. I didn't think you guys would want to see it. But if you guys want to see me do unboxings, just comment down below and let me know and I'll do more unboxings for you guys. I just put the hair in the bag because it was just easier to do it that way. So we're gonna play in some color. I did receive, so this hair, first right off the back, what I have to say before I have to point out anything else, this hair does come pre-plucked and like legit like pre-plucked. Look at this lace. How am I gonna do this? Okay, yeah, I can't show y'all. I honestly didn't even pluck it. I tried to, and I realized that I was kind of making it look a little bald. I mean, it still looks good, but I was just like, okay, yeah, I'm gonna leave it alone because there's no need for me to do anything to it. It is a 22-inch straight wig, straight texture. It is wavy because I did wash it, but it is actually a straight texture. At least that's what it says. And the density 200. This feels like a regular 150, but I mean, I'm not mad at it because I don't really care for my wigs to be too thick. It did kind of come in a side part. Yeah, it came like in a side part. I did not put in a side part. I did already bleach the knots. You have the two combs on the side, comb in the middle, and comb at the bottom, and adjustable straps. And no elastic band, which is fine because I really don't find those useful anyways. Yeah, I literally just took off my last wig from probably the last video before this. So I literally just kept the cap on, and yeah, I'm probably gonna just add makeup on the whole thing, and that's a frontal. I don't feel like doing the ball cap method because I'm really lazy and I don't like wasting wig caps. Oh yeah, this is gonna fit perfectly. I can already tell it's gonna fit perfectly. I'm excited about this color though. Okay. I am no pro at this. I still struggle with getting this down to perfection. So I'm gonna just speed through this part and catch y'all in a little bit. Now that the wig is finally on, now we can get to styling this hair. I'm gonna style this hair off camera because this video is already long. All right, so I'm going to style this hair off camera and then I will be back. All right, babes, so this pretty much wraps up the video. Some parts I did curl more than others by accident, but that's neither here nor there. So all information on this unit will be in the description box down below. If you guys not have seen my previous wig video, like that's so specific, I did put out there that I am thinking about selling my units. I have a lot of wigs. I wouldn't say a lot, but for me it's a lot. If you guys are interested in buying any of my units, comment down below. Let me know what you guys would think of that idea. If I do decide to go ahead and do it, I am going to be posting all information on my Instagram, so make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. I'll leave that on the screen somewhere right here, and as well as in the description box down below. I always leave my Instagram in the description box down below. So yeah, if you guys are interested and want more information on that, if I do decide to do it, if enough people want me to do it, make sure to follow me on Instagram so we can keep track of that. So comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if that's something you guys would be interested in. And I will make sure to get on that. And if I do, make sure to follow me on Instagram because that's where I'll be putting all the information on that whole process, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. And I will see you guys in my next video.